guys, it's me, Shiwo. Welcome back to another episode of Shiwo Science. Today, for the Thanksgiving special, we will be talking about the closest living relative to T-Rex today, the turkey. That's right, the closest living relative in present times to the mighty T-Rex is the docile turkey. Although it may not seem like turkeys and T-Rexes are alike, especially with the weight difference of 14,993 kilograms between them, research from the University of Kent showed that turkeys underwent the least changes in their chromosomes compared to the T-Rex. Furthermore, turkey and chicken gene sets are the closest to dinosaur gene sets of any present-day animal. Another reason scientists know that turkeys are the closest living descendants of tyrannosaurs is their wishbones. Turkey wishbones are made of a connection between two collarbones, yet are connected together very firmly. It was once thought that these connected wishbones were shared only by birds. Further study, however, showed that dinosaurs such as raptors and tyrannosaurs had them too, and that they used them as supports when holding prey. Paleontologists revealed that of these links shared between dinosaurs and birds, the closest relation was between turkeys and chickens and the infamous tyrannosaurs. Tyrannosaurs may have looked more like turkeys than we previously thought as well. Recent scientific studies revealed that many ancient dinosaurs, including T-Rexes, had protofeathers called dinofuzz. So the next time you are having a Thanksgiving dinner, know that you are not eating a turkey, but in fact a ferocious dinosaur. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot from it too. If you did enjoy it, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!